Victims in a case surrounding a former Tulsa massage therapist are fighting for his records to be open to the public. Wesley Cole was originally charged with raping multiple women, but charges were reduced to assault. Also part of the deal, an immediate expungement of his records that victims' attorneys say they didn't agree to and argue whether it was legal in the first place.
I was angry, very, very, very angry.
When Holly came forward with her allegations of rape against former massage therapist Wesley Cole, she did not imagine she would feel so left out. She said she had to follow what was happening through OSCN. Holly and her attorneys say any conversation about a plea deal never mentioned an automatic expungement, which is what happened, including charges being reduced to assault.
The streets of Tulsa are not safe with him on it. That's why I didn't want it expunged, because other people have a right to know what he is capable of.
That's why they're taking the issue to the Supreme Court. Attorney Rhiannon Thorson believes it's the first filing like it in Oklahoma, where crime victims argue their rights were violated in a criminal case under Marsy's Law, a law guaranteeing crime victims are, among other things, notified of all proceedings and negotiations and plea deals. They also argue an immediate expungement should not have been a legal option in this case because he was being convicted of a felony and had charges pending against him.
It was sloppy, and I think not only sloppy, I think it was intentionally done that way. The prosecutors, the judge, they know what the law is, and it was not followed.
We don't believe these individuals have standing to bring this case, and we're confident the Supreme Court is going to see it the same way.
Jay and Brett Swab are attorneys for Cole. They argue crime victims can't object to an expungement to a court according to state statute. Title 22 specifies the prosecuting agency, the arresting agency, and the OSBI may object to an automatic expungement. The Swabs also believe their plea to sentence timeline is incorrect, leaving Cole to qualify for that expungement.
He's trying to move on with his life, and I think this is an attempt for, unfortunately, the lawyers that are instigating this for an extra minute or 2 minutes on their 15 minutes.
Holly just wants to be heard, if not for her own vindication, but for other women she says should be able to know whether someone has been charged with rape. The Oklahoma Supreme Court has not yet made a decision on this challenge.